Hey guys, welcome to my next video. I have replaced the axles on my travel trailer. I did not put the cambered axles, I put the straight axles, so I don't think there's a problem with them. They're definitely not going to wear out the tires and just quickly, maybe over time they might have a little bit of inside tire wear because it has about 1.5 degree negative camber. So I'm going to attempt to arch these axles myself and put some positive camber in them. And so let's get to the fun stuff. All right, guys, I'm on to plan B. I've already put some pressure on this, and I believe it's working. So if this doesn't do it, yeah, I think a bigger bottle jack will be called for, and that will do it. So the floor jack is a 2-ton, and this bottle jack is 4. So I'm using the floor jack as a base. Added a little bit of lift there with that paper stone, and away we go. So I'm keeping an eye on it, make sure I'm not going to flip out and pop me or something, right? So I could use the floor jack pipe to get further away from it. I think I'll do that. So let me get to going on this, and then I'll get back with you and let you know if this works. Okay, I just want to show what ended up working. All right, so the block I had was disintegrating. So here's what I used. I used the equalizers for the trailer. They're solid, so I used them and stack them across there to get that height. And it's working now. It's not giving way, and I'm just inching up on it slowly. I got a pretty good bend on it right now. So I'm going to keep going a little bit more, then I'm going to release it, then I'm going to take a measurement and see if I've got some arch in it. Okay guys, I did end up getting this axle bent in the middle, but here's what I had to do to bend it. 4-ton jack did it. I had to spread the chains out wider. So I kept it within the inside of the springs there, but I spread them out wider. I used the same setup. Here it is under pressure. When I relax it, it's going to come back down. I checked it up against my other old ones, and it needs a little bit more bend in it. I'm trying to match them old ones. So I'm just going to let it kind of sit there for a while. I'm going to put some more on it until I get it the same camber as the old one. Get that bent just about the same as what's on the original axle. I'm going to just put this on the top, but you can see there that it's not, I can't get on the bottom, but I put on the bottom here. Maybe you can see the gap. So you see there's a nice gap on it right there. So, yeah, you can do it. You just got to have a nice heavy chain, a floor jack, a 4-ton jack, some steel to stack it on, and you just go up further than what you want it to go, and it will bend it. It did bend it. And you can see that back one back there that's not done yet, okay? See how the difference is? There's a difference. I think I'm probably good with this one. I don't think I'm gonna go anymore. I'm gonna probably leave it like that. But you can see the bend in it compared to that back one. I gotta get that back one done. Check back with you when I get it done. Okay guys, I got the back axle done. That one went a lot faster than that front axle because I already knew what to do. And yeah, I got it. I got some cam in it, some camber. So I'm getting ready to drop the trailer down and put it on a flat surface and check it, see where I'm at. I'm pretty sure it's good enough. Is it a perfect science doing it this way? No. It's a guess. So I used my old axle to determine about how much to bend it, and I figured the old axle was flattened some. So I think these will be all right. We'll see. I'll let you know after I get it on the ground. Check it out. Here's the tools required. You need a a heavy-duty chain, and something to scoot around on the ground on. That's pretty nice to have. Not necessary, but I had it. You need a floor jack and some gloves. You need something to put the spacer between the floor jack and the bottle jack. Something solid like these. I use these steel equalizers, the old ones. You need at least a 4-ton floor jack, tape measure, some pieces of steel so you're not putting all the pressure of the top of your bottle jack on there, on that tube. Kind of spreads that pressure out. You need a level, and you need some type of way to measure your camber. So I've got this tool, but all you need really is a little level. You can get a little bitty tiny level, or you can build you a level that will go across your axle, across your wheel here, from here to all the way to here. Just a board that you can put across there that you know is straight, and then just put a torpedo level on it right in the middle, and you can get a good idea of where you're at in regards to your camber setting. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this one up. I was able to adjust the camber on these axles. They now have some camber on them. Most of them have a little bit of negative camber, about 3/4 degree. One of them has about 1/2 degree positive camber. And then got it sitting here on level ground. Tested it with this level. This ground is perfectly level. The way you can check this is using a little torpedo level like this one. You can lay it across your spindle here, and you can check your level this way. You can also use this board here. I got a straight board, and I cut that so that I could put a level out here on the outside. I can't always show you right here, but just put your level right there, and you can see your bubble. And of course, I've got this tool for myself that I can put right on here, and then I can look and see what the camber reading is by holding it right on the middle. And on that one, you can see I've got about a 1/2 degree negative camber, which is acceptable. They all looking good. Anyway, that's it. That's how you do your camber. Did work out for me. So after all that, I think I'm good to go now at this point. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope it helps you out. And yeah, see you next time.